Hello students, welcome to Knowledge. In this video we shall see chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10 CBSE NCERT syllabus. We shall continue with exercise number 3.6, question number 1, second part. The given equations are 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. Now this is exactly like the previous sum, part 1, where we had equations like 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Now here, if you take this term, you have two denominators here. One is 3 and x. 3 into x is 3x. But you have only one numerator. So what does this mean? This 1 is common for both. So it can be split in this way. 1 by 3 into 1 by x. Okay. And then we gave 1 by x a value a. And then we found the value for a. And then later on x. Right. So, the same way what we need to do here is, we have to split each term into 2 and then give it a value like the previous sum. So, what we need to do now? See, for example, if you take this term, 2 by root x. So, 2 by root x here, see here, we don't have two denominators. So, how will we go about it? Now, you can do one thing. You can split this. What you need is, you want to have a 1 by x here. See, just like how you had, you need a 1 by x here. Same way, here you can have a 1 by root x. Okay, so 1 by root x. 1 by root x, and what is remaining? 2 is remaining. So into 2 will give you 2 by root x. Right? So this is how you will be splitting it. Now you give 1 by root x a value. So 1 by root x is equal to a. Now what will happen if it is a in this place? See, let's see. 2 into a is equal to 2a. So actually we have given 1 by root x a value a. So if we replace 2 in a in this place, then what will happen? You have to multiply a into 2. So you will get 2a. So this is our first term. Same way, let's do the second term. So you have 3 by root y. Now you want 1 by root y for giving a value. Then what is remaining? On the numerator, 3 is remaining. So multiplied by 3. So now what will you get? 3 by root y. You got the same term here. So now you can give this a value. So 1 by root y is equal to b. So if you replace b here, then what will happen? 3 into b will give you 3b. Right. Now, the two terms for your first equation is ready now. So, let's write the first equation. It is 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. Your first equation. Now, let's go to the second equation. Now, the first term is 4 by root x. Now, let's split it in the same way. You want a 1 by root x for giving it this value a. The remaining number is 4 because you want a 4 in the numerator. So 4 into 1 will give you 4. So 4 by root x. Now you can give this a value. So 1 by root x is, we have given a name a. So let's give the same name here. Okay. So when we replace a here, so this will be 4 into a is equal to 4a. Okay. Now let's do the second term. We have minus 9 by root y. So we need a 1 by root y for giving a value. The remaining number is minus 9. So you get minus 9 into 1 is minus 9 by root y. You got the same term here. So now this term can be given a value. So now here it is, let's give this a value. So it is b. Then if we replace b here, minus 9 into b will give you minus 9b. Now both the terms are ready for the second equation. Now let's write the second equation. So it is 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Second equation. Now you have both the equation ready for solving. So now let's solve it using elimination method. So by elimination method, we have the equations 2a plus 3b is equal to 2 and 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Now in elimination method, you have to eliminate any one variable from these two equations. So I prefer to eliminate b variable, because if I multiply this equation by 3, then I will get a 9 here. So plus 9 and minus 9 can be cancelled. So let's multiply this by 3. Okay, so this gives you 3 into 2a is 6a, 3 into 3b is 9b, and 3 2s are 6. This need not be changed, so it remains the same. So 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Now we need to add these equations, because it already has a plus and minus sign. So plus and minus is minus, so 9b minus 9b is 0. So we need not subtract these equations. If you subtract, then this will become plus 9b, and then you won't be able to cancel it. So let's subtract it. So by subtracting equation 2 from equation number 1, let's write the equation 6a plus 9b is equal to 6 and 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. So here plus 9b and minus 9b is 0. So this is cancelled. So 6a plus 4a is 10a, and then here 6 minus 1 is 5. Now a is equal to 5 by 10. Now I can divide this using a common number 5. So 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. So now here a is equal to 1 by 2. Now we can replace this a is equal to 1 by 2 in any of these two equations and then find the value of b. So substitute a is equal to 1 by 2 in equation number 2. I am taking the second equation for substituting the value of a. Our equations are 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. So let's replace it. 4 into a is 1 by 2 minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Now 2 can divide 4 2 times. So here it is 2 minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Now you have minus 9b is equal to minus 1, and this plus 2 goes to your right hand side, becomes minus 2. Now you have minus 9b is equal to minus and minus is plus, so 2 plus 1 is 3, but you take the sign from the greater value, so minus 3. Now here this minus and minus is cancelled. So now b is equal to 3 by 9. Now I can divide both the numbers using a common number 3. So this is 1 3s are 3 and this is 3 3s are 9. So your value for b is 1 by 3. Okay. Now it's not all over. We still have to find the value of x here. See, we have found the value of a. What is a? 1 by root x is a. But we need to find the value of x actually. So if it is 1, we have found the value of b here. It is 1 by 3. But we need to find the value of 1 by root y. So what we need to do? We can replace this value of a here and then cross multiply it to find the value of this. So 1 by root x is equal to a. Our a is 1 by 2. So let's write it here, 1 by 2. Now we need to cross multiply this to get the value of root x. So here root x into 1 is root x, and then 2 into 1 is 2. Now you have the value of root x here, but we need the value of x. So what we need to do, we have to remove this root from here. This can be done by squaring root x. So what will happen if you square root x? See, root x into root x will give you x, right? Because exponent of root is half, and then here again there is one more root, so half. When you multiply two numbers, the exponents will be added, right? Then what will happen? Half plus half is 1. So the base is same. So you have to write x, and then the exponent will become 1. So root x to the power of 1 will give you x only. So here this can be squared for giving you x. But you need to square the right hand side also. Because when you make a change for solving the equation on your left hand side, then you have to do it on both sides, on your LHS as well as the RHS. Because if you make a change on one side of the equation to correct the equation, then you have to do it on both sides, both on the LHS as well as the RHS, to balance the equation. Okay, so whenever you square this part, you have to square it on both sides. So here it is x, root x into root x is x, and then 2 into 2 is 4. So this will be your value of x. Okay. Now same way, let's do it for 1 by root y. Our 1 by root y is b. Our value for b is 1 by 3. So let's cross multiply now. This will give us root y into 1 is root y. 1 into 3 is 3. So same way here, we need to remove this root from here for finding the value of y. So let's square on both sides for this. So same way here, root y has an exponent of 1 by 2 into root y has an exponent of 1 by 2. You write the same base here, but the exponents will be added. So half plus half is 1. So it is it's y to the power of 1. Y to the power of 1 means it is y. So here it is y is equal to 3 3s are 9. This is the value for y. Okay. It's very simple. Now if you like this video, like and share, and then subscribe to my channel for more short tricks, tips and easy learning techniques. Until we meet next time, bye-bye.